Boris' cousin. It's a grand do, isn't it?
Grand do.
Give him 5 years.
Chin.
We all have gone mad as a ditch.
Childish things. What do you expect from the example of a pack?
Binge.
Hi, enjoying yourself?
It's great crack. It's a fine thing to celebrate.
Ach, good evening, you had a crack. Assumption.
Can I ask, what is your life like?
Even had
in
the
the
bad
city?
colour, so
Well,
that
there's
is
a fair
out.
among the work, isn't there? Hauling crates, shoveling muck. I'm a tanner myself. Long days stripping hides and dousing them in cow piss. You can probably smell the stench.
I can. Enjoy the feast, friend.
You as well.
Hussar, I was not sure if I would see you here.
Why is that?
I thought you'd rather take stock of your wares than placidly observe caterwauling Vikings.
And you would rather spend time with this gossiping auntie?
I know few people here, and of them, I know you are the one who's always ready with a sweet anecdote.
I do have some information you may find interesting. Siegfried's stomach doesn't agree with cheese. Had an accident about it last week. The embarrassing, bed-changing kind.
Very chin.
Had himself.
Mortifying for a lad of that age. The kind of thing that would devastate him in front of his comrades. If one needed ammunition.
Thank you, Hussar. Your company is always
oh.
enlightening.
Wat je kapel. Alle hierdie boeriak. Ik kijk naar alles.
Siegfried, I expect my son to act like the future king, not roll in the muck.
So Flan will take you on as his farting court jester.
Think with your head and not your arse. Flan can assure my throne, which will one day be yours.
That makes you the ass.
Enough! Eivor, my son, Siegfried. I'm sorry, I must clear my head. Could you speak to the boy?
AJ Hanishin. wat graag. Wil je het al graag? Go heen, a mis je maar. Tierach can hello. Ach je, Eivor a hasha. Thanks for sharing.
Shit coming from that mouth. What is? You have trouble controlling it out the other end, too.
I heard about it. Have a word with him. So that's all healing. If asked, get a lot.
I guess I owe you thanks for not beating me bloody.
I shouldn't feel.
I am not here to quarrel with you, Siegfried.
Da speaks so highly of you. I wanted to see if you lived up to the stories.
Does anyone? You're unhappy with how your father rules.
Da has the makings of a fine king, but he chooses to play the unctuous merchant instead.
A visit to Norway might do a young Vikinger like you some good.
I'd love to go with Da. Maybe the homeland would kindle his warrior spirit. Give Dublin a fair and fearsome king.
I've lost track of your father. Any idea where he might be?
He wanted to clear his head. That means he's visiting grandfather's grave. Da has a chat with him almost every day.
Bareth can commune with the dead.
No, his conversations are all one-sided. The grave sits at the top of the hill.
I'll find him. Thank you, Siegfried.
Eivor, teach me how to hit like that sometime.
Tasha. Itchy. Luas. Fast. 9. Ah, yeah, hij maakt wie chillig Valhalla. Sentence got out of Joshua. Maar wie chillig Valhalla. O'r Fort er jongens. Graai. Vecht. Ra ata. Agus mis mynd i gyfeisiwn ffyr or so. Which is more gen again we can Assassin's Creed. Die het taartje goed lei. Ar an 10 uur an an atje. Just get an Valhalla fashion an Nidavi and an Odyssey how an Kefalonia. Agus an Origins how an Oasis. Agus an Nurshan. I should have 10 uur an hitje. Agus a spársam. Ins nuair sin chur críochar sin as gantaí well a níos lecha dúir a híte éile go trí gá. Go héin bích bearlam rá gemme rá garid na rá ata. But nuair a hagad críochar a gemme sus mi tíoch géirí becan a bharach í a chluich. Dearlam sin well chacúr críochar sin ar fast cap dúrineach. Ach, sin na chanas bhí. Stal me bhí an bailach lia a cet ídna. Maith í eilechte. Mar hín céine chuigh. Ach a sin dal go ties. Hynna smain sin. Ties lein, agus a bhín dachas. Bhí chola an dachas. Bhín déid sin Gàidhlig. Cíteach go bheith míad cantaí ar stream chéine ach na mí gúrich mí anna Gàidhlig san líana agus tír hallam Gàidhlig gúteach bailla searlam san tó. So ha mín dachas go bíad a gabh seo. Méid féin dáiseach cá cin rí gíre seo i ránsachuch. Barak. Hey. So, I'm planning to hack really like Cluicheamaid or son in Acharish. Che vi Cluiche DLC Asha. He shin Jacob had to service. I guess Jacob Lewis a H-E-N-O. And yeah, Lua acht. Hier. Unie Gaska zijn. Dus aan die haag. Agus fan cúteach a smain sin, agus man hasibh cat sitting a fist go mar mí seo. Bhí smain sin mí éon am Cluicheamaid athrachuch ó drasta thuine etar uair agus tá uair iscar go éicheann ar dain. So éichar dain etar 7 uair an fescar na. Sin an beachta ha go goite gon páisich mí sin an nátheachcha go mí fis ar Twitter agus ach goite go céalcha go duna gin barach go chluich duna me seo.
A king must forever be on guard.